Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn how to make Venom in ZBrush for beginners. As usual, I'm gonna use a sphere to make a face. This is gonna be his neck. And whenever you need to remesh your mesh for a subtool, just go in Geometry, ZRemesher, click on Same, hit on ZRemesher again. It will help you really big time. As you all know, Venom doesn't have any ears or nose, so this character will be really short and sweet. You will learn easily and you can try with me step by step. Now I'm trying to give a eyes. And in early stages I'm trying to make it out for the outlines, for the eyes, for face, for mouth. Here I'm digging his face like mouth more with the clay builder, and as you can see my mesh is not helping me out, so I just did a remesher. It helps me really nice. Now as you can see I'm using here pinch brush for creasing his lips. With damp center brush I'm giving you jawline and the necks, like the neckline, right? Now again I'm trying to just give it a really good shape for the head. As you can see we have only one reference, so we have to imagine ourselves how it will gonna look, or you guys can download or have more reference for your help, for the muscles, for the shape, for the eyes, whatever you guys trying to make, have a multiple reference, and believe me it will help you really nice. And if you guys thinking like, no, I'll try to make my own, guys, you need to learn from the reference first, then you can go with your own intentions, like your own imagination, how you want to make. Now as you can see I have insert one more sphere. This will be his only body, and guys this will be a really stylized, normal, basic character design. This is not gonna be any detailed one or anything like that, but shortly enough you guys will have a new videos from my side. It will be like semi-realistic, realistic, game characters. You will have everything. Maybe game rigging characters, rigging, maybe in Blender. We'll see what will go happen. For that, guys, you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever I upload my new videos. You will be the first to watch. Now you can see I'm giving a shoulder, traps, lats, everything in the basic shape of the sphere. It will be basic model as I said, and as you can see it is bending towards, so I am shaping the whole body according to that. His arms gonna be in front, so I'm rotating his shoulder back, so it will be going with the flow of hands. Now this will be his just a biceps. Reason for I'm using only one sphere for bicep, then again for hand, is it has a huge biceps and I don't want to make it cluster with the one sphere is going for whole hand. You can use it if the character doesn't have that defined physique. As you can see I'm using one more for hand. Now I'm just giving a rotation for the palm and hand and everything. With that, the help of it, we can create easily. Now I'm just trying to define hand more. Here I'm trying to pull fingers. As you can see, it's a stylized character, it have only 4 fingers. Don't worry about the mesh is getting clustered or like getting destroyed. Don't worry. You can do remeasure again and again. It will help you a lot. I'm saying you guys again and again, it will help you a lot. Try to use ZBrush as much as you can. At least for the stylized character, it will help you. As we go for the realistic and semi-realistic, then the thing is quite different. As you can see, I can't do anything on the fingers, so I did remeasure and I'm pulling it for the crease for fingers. Now my finger looks dull, so I just sharp with the pinch brush. Now again, I'm trying to give a more reference shape, as I have the one only reference, so I don't have a back side. So I'm trying my best to give a quite similar reference shape. And this is the back side, so I have to do by myself. There is no reference, as I told you. I'm trying my best to make it out. And here I did a mirror for hands. Now I'm using sphere for legs. Whenever the subtool is getting in your way to work on another subtool, just hide them. Here for the second, I need to think how to make a leg, because I'm confused with the just to make a thigh with the sphere, or should I go full length of leg? So for a minute I think about it, and then I went with it. Here you can see I'm not able to define the damn center brush. I just did ZBrush. Here you can see I'm just pulling mesh to create calves. Then I'm gonna pull it again for the foot, and that's it for the leg. Just you need to tune it up, make it clean, make it nice. You guys are good with that. Here I have separated the mirror just for the reason that I need to rotate and I need to give a little bit different shape than this one. I am rotating the pelvis according to the legs, and make sure you do that. It will make a huge difference on character, and if you don't, it will look like something is wrong with the character, obviously. Now here I did a love handles on the Venom. Now here I am scaling down all subtools. With Gizmo there is options like there is a underscore type. Then just click on it, it will turn into 3 lines. Then you can shape, like you can scale all subtools at once. Now this is gonna be his thumb. For that, what I did is I have activated the Pro Sculpture. With that, I can easily move mesh into the shape I wanted to. Now with that, I have just used Move tool to give it a good shape. Then the same Sculpture Pro, I did smoothing. With that, I did a zero measure. As you can see, the flow is really nice with it. Still, we need to do some kind of work on it. That's fine. Now for the feet, we need to think about it. So I go with the normal shape. Not too big, not too small. Now once I did this, you will see the tongue is in between. And I don't want that. So what did I did here? I did is like masking through his lower jaw and the upper jaw. What this will do, it will help you to like open his mouth or do something you like. Here what I did a scale on his face, like in the mouth, and then it looks good. I have to do a remeasure again. Now I need to do again a adjustment for his head to make it more cartoony, more stylized. So for that I did the scale of his head. Again, I need to add some detail on his body. Just it looks like very shrinked one. Instead of muscular, it looks like a shrinked one. So I don't want that. Here I scale down the legs just to make more stylized and cartoony. With that, I have a problem with the pelvis. I need to scale it down toward like according to his legs and merge it properly. Here you can see I am selecting a color for the Venom. I could have gone for black, but you guys won't like it since black doesn't give any shade or anything. So I try to go for dark blue. I have selected each and every subtool and I have painted that. And for the tone, I have gone for red. And you guys can do the same thing as I did in color. There is an option for fill object. Select any subtool with the color you want to fill with it. Just go in colors and click on fill the object. Now I'm painting the eyes, teeth, everything which need to be, and the, how can I forget, the logo for the Venom. And I know the logo looks like a cat or something, the bat, but guys, it's stylized. You can do anything. So that's it. And at last, what I did a zero measure on legs. With that, I scale it down. If you guys want to print this model, so it will have a stable like stamp or legs doesn't gonna fall or doesn't gonna wobble. That will be great. And never smooth it out at the end. Just do a remeasure, then do it. In deformation, just polish it. It will be enough.